So imagine you could get a step-by-step plan, simple plan, very applicable plan that will make sure that your 2024 will be the best year you ever had. All you have to do is show up in the seminar. I'm going to have a seminar on Friday in the waterfront. We're also going to stream it, so if you're not in South Africa, in Cape Town, you can still see it. The cost is basically nothing. I don't know how much is it exactly, but a few dollars. Be there, you have 100% money back guarantee, and you will go out with a guaranteed to work step-by-step plan on how to make your 2024 the best year ever. Now, not only that you will get the plan, but we will also handle all the barriers for achieving the targets of that plan. And you learn life-changing data. And it will be fun. Be there.